Hello everyone, I'm Babita Jhunjhunwala. We are having Mental Health Awareness Week at Man Ki Baat. The WHO states that health is a state of mental, physical, and social well being and not merely the absence of diseases or infirmity. Mental health refers to your emotional and psychological well being. Having good mental health helps you to lead a relatively happy and healthy life. It helps you to demonstrate resilience and the ability to cope in the face of life's adversities. It affects how we think, feel, and act as we cope up with life. Good mental health helps us to cope up with the stresses of life, be physically healthy, have good relationships, make meaningful contributions to our community, work productively, realize our full potential, and make informed choices. Mental health is important at every stage of our life, from childhood to adolescence to through adulthood and aging. So let me ask you, how is your mental health? We know that we can measure our physical health when we don't have any diseases, we are physically active, we are productively doing our work. But how do we measure mental health? Is your mental health uh, excellent? Is it thriving? Or is it just in a survival mode? Or are you struggling or in a crisis mode with regard to your mental health? Let us look how we can determine the scale at which we are on our mental health. Your mental health is excellent when you enjoy the things you are doing, challenges are quite easy for you, your performance is consistent, you love meeting with friends and family, you're physically and socially active, and you're sleeping good, you're eating well. And your mental health is good, though not excellent, when you're feeling good. Challenges are there, but you are being able to cope up with them. You have normal mood fluctuations. Your confidence level is good, and you do like meeting with friends and family. But your mental health is in a survival mode and not as good as you want to be when you're feeling overwhelmed and decision making is difficult. You are struggling to take care of yourself. Being with friends and families is not as enjoyable as it used to be. Chores and activities are like a burden. Your sleep patterns are also disturbed. You are struggling with your mental health when you feel no enjoyment for the things that you used to like to do. Daily activities now seem like a burden. You want to be alone. You don't want to meet up with friends and family. Your sleep is very disturbed and you have a feeling of helplessness. And your mental health is in a total crisis mode and you do need help at this point. So, what happens when your mental health is in a crisis mode? Your emotions are very intense, nothing brings you comfort. You don't feel any connection with your friends and family, you are having suicidal thoughts, and you are in a state of constant fatigue. So, this is a time when you should seek professional help. There are many strategies that can help you to establish good mental health, and these are keeping a positive attitude, staying physically active, helping other people, getting enough sleep, having a healthy diet, socializing with people whom you enjoy meeting, forming and using effective coping skills to deal with your problems, asking for professional help with your mental health whenever you need it. So, friends, if you feel, please scale your mental health according to these pointers and see where you stand with your mental health. Do seek professional help if required. Thank you.